Hi, friends. Welcome back to Easy Couponing, where we make it easy for you to coupon. I hope you're having an excellent day. Today, this is what we woke up to. All of this snow. Believe it or not, we have all of this snow. We're living in the ice age. I hope everybody's doing good. I haven't seen you in a while. I haven't been here posting in a while, but I'm back. God willing, I'll be posting more often. So please stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, like, and leave me a nice comment down below so I can say hi to you. Let's go ahead and get in on this deal at Office Depot Office Max. It's a really easy, super simple. You guys know how I like my deals. I like to make them super easy for everybody to get in on them. Anybody, even if you're a beginner, you're going to be able to get in on this deal. You're going to be able to shop online, shop in store, or shop online to pick up in store, shop online to drive up pickup, or shop online and even have it shipped to your house. That's how good this deal is. I have a even better deal. If you haven't signed up for Rakuten, I'm going to go over that in a minute. You're going to be able to get an additional $50 cash back. That is cash back, and I'll go over it in a minute. As well as get 100% back on this offer at Office Depot Office Max. Tomorrow, Saturday, will be the limit on this, so make sure you get in on this deal. All you need is to have an Office Depot Office Max rewards card. So sign up for Office Depot Office Max Rewards if you haven't done so. Office Depot Office Max Rewards is similar to what we have at Walgreens when we do our shopping, the My Walgreens thing or the CVS Extra Care. Very similar, except here it's at Office Depot Office Max. Like I said, you're going to be able to order online for store pickup, delivery, shipping, etc. Anybody could do this deal. Anyone. So don't say you can't do it. Okay. So basically what I did here is I went and I ordered through the Rakuten app. So make sure you sign up for Rakuten. You're getting $50 cash back. $50 cash back. 50, not 15, not 15, 50, 50. So sign up for Rakuten through the link I'll leave in the description box and in the first comment. Make sure you click through, sign up for Rakuten, and get in on this $50 cash back deal. Making your purchase, your final purchase here is going to be completely free, plus a $50 money maker, or completely free. And you guys know that I like to get my rewards. I like to use those rewards to buy Dawn products, paper towels, toilet paper, etc. At Office Depot Office Max, you can use the rewards to buy whatever you want. So here it is. I search for the store. So make sure you log in through Rakuten first. You're going to search for Office Depot Office Max, and you're going to click through. You're going to click Shop Now. Let's go shop now. We're going to go over there. Right now, you see it says 2% cash back. That's for people that currently have Rakuten. If you're doing any online shopping, make sure you click through Rakuten first in order for you to get your cash back on all of your online purchases. We're going to click on the hamburger here, and then we're going to click through to the deals. Let's go find the reward deals or rewards deals. Let's see here. Here we go. Rewards offers. And here it is. Make sure you're signed up or sign in. Make sure you log in first to your Office Depot Office Max rewards. There it is. Make sure you're signed in, log in, and then shop for this deal. The Duracell batteries, 24-pack or 16-pack. These are the ones that we're going to be able to get 100% back in Office Depot or Office Max rewards, depending on where you buy them. Back. So you're going to be getting the 24 count or the 16 count, whichever ones you need, or whatever you could afford for your budget. There are available in 24 pack or 16 pack. Let me click shop now so I can show you which ones they are. Here we go. As you can see here, we could order online for shipping, for pickup, for whatever. Anybody could do this deal. Anyone. All you have to do is order it. Log in first through Rakuten to get your cash back, to get those $50 back, using the link that I left in the description box and in the first comment. Then search for Office Depot Office Max. You're going to log in at Office Depot Office Max to your Office Depot Office Max rewards account in order for you to get that those rewards back into your account. So like I said, select whichever ones you want. If you want the 24 count, the 16 count, you guys know this is the time to buy batteries because the holidays are right around the corner. A lot of gift giving is happening. A lot of batteries will be needed. Hint, hint, you guys know the drill. I'm not going to mention it because I know the kiddos are probably around. You guys know what you need batteries for. Your or if you need batteries for the remote control, for the blood pressure machines. You batteries are needed for a lot of things. So if you need batteries, this is the time. We haven't seen this deal in a while. That's why I wanted to bring it to you all. I know I haven't been active on here on YouTube, so make sure you leave those thumbs up and subscribe and leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you're going to get in on this deal or not, in order for us to have more engagement and YouTube could promote the video. Okay, so basically, I'm going to show you what I got. Here it is. I picked up the 24 count, and I'll show you the UPC code so you could get it in store if you want to get it in store. If you get it in store, you could still use Rakuten, but you have to link your credit card to the Rakuten app in order to do so. Okay. So here it is, the 24 count AA batteries. Duracell Power Boost. Make sure they sell Power Boost. Make sure they say Power Boost on there. Those are the ones that qualify. Okay. These are the 24 count. And I have the AA and AAA. Let me show you the UPC code, because I know a lot of people are going to be like, well, what's the number on the back? What's the number? I'm going to show it to you so you don't miss out and you get the right ones, because I know there's the Power Boost and there's the regular. I think the other ones are the regular Duracell. You want to get in on the Power Boost Duracell. Those are the ones that are qualifying for the 100% cash back or the 100% rewards back. Power Boost, okay? Don't go buying the 10 count. Don't go buying the 12 count, because those are not going to give you anything back in rewards. You need to get the 24 count. Here is the UPC code for the 24 count AAA batteries. The UPC code is right here. And here is the UPC code. Oh, I just dropped that. It's UPC code for the 24 count AAA batteries. As you can see there. Make sure you take a screenshot of that or take the video with you in store so you're able to do it. And you could check the numbers to make sure you're getting the right ones. If you're going to do the online in-store order or in-store purchase, all you need to do is enter your phone number at checkout. Make sure you signed up or are signed up for Office Depot Office Max Rewards. Enter your phone number at checkout in order for you to get in on those rewards. I hope you are able to do this deal. I hope you get in on that 100% rewards back and get in on that Rakuten deal with $50 cash back in your pocket. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and watch one of these other videos that are going to pop up on the screen. And I greatly appreciate you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to share, share, share. Sharing is caring. Don't leave me out in the cold. I appreciate every single one of you, and I thank you for all the love and support. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.